Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fuadzam. So today I'm going to talk to you about my project. My programming project is about Tic Tac Toe game. So I have been assigned by Dr. Shwaya to edit the Tic Tac Toe game project and modify the source code. So this is the source code for the project, about 133 lines. So it starts with the preprocessor directive is to include IOStream, include the IOStream file. So in this project, there's three functions. Okay, the first function is to display the Tic Tac Toe board, and the second function is to get the user input, and the third function is to decide the winner of the game. So first of all, this is some of the variable that's been declared. So variable char name turned, and variable name draw, which is its type is bool, variable board, variable number, and this variable board is a two-dimensional array that convey the Tic Tac Toe board. So let's take a look at the program. So in this main function, first of all, we'll display the game menu. So play 1 is x, play 2 is O, and initialize the turn equals to x. The turn equals to x. So while game over, not game over, means that while there's no winner yet, this num variable here is to count the turn for both players. So it will increment by 1 every time before displaying the board. Okay, so take a look. Let's take a look at the first function, display board. This function is to display the Tic Tac Toe board, so we display like this. And the second function is to get the input from the user, to get the choice and the turn. So first of all, in this function, we declare the variable choice, type integer, and row equals to 0, column equals to 0. So if turn equals to x, it means that play 1 turn. Else if turn equals to O, it means that play 2 turn. So the player needs to input their choice. The choice here is the integer data type. So here we use the switch case statement. So in this statement, there is 9 of it. So the user must put any of it from 1 to 9. It indicates the board, the Tic Tac Toe board. So for case 1, we choose the row 0 and column 0 board, means the number 1 board. So if the user input other than 1 to 9, it means that we need to get the input by the user again. So you call this function again. Alright, this is to change the how the board looks after the user has input the choice. So if player 1 input the choice, it will display O, it will display S, sorry. And if player 2 input the choice, it will display S, it will display O. So if the board has been used, it will display the cell you choose is used. So the player need to re-enter again their choice. So this is a function to decide the winner. So here we use loop to check for each row if, so this is the how it will be checked. It will check the board. The board has 3 consecutive same choice by the player, either player 1 or player 2. It will return true. It means that the player is the winner. So this is to check or draw if num equals to 9. Okay, and this is nothing because I modified this code. So this num here, it means that the user has input this variable that is initially 0 here. As I said just now, this variable num is to calculate the total input by both users. So if it's equals to 9, it means that all board has been chosen and the game will be a draw. So let's take a look at how the game works. Okay, this is the total game. Player 1 is S and player 2 is O. So this is the dictator board and with number in it. So player 1 turn, you need to enter the choice from 1 to 9. So let's try. Player 1 choose 1. So it will change to S. Alright, so player 2 choose number 3, player 3 choose number 5, player 3, sorry, player 1, so player 2 choose 9. I'm gonna make this a draw. So it's a draw because it has exceed 9 choice by both players. So let's try and make player 1 wins. Okay, so player 1 wins. So that's all for me. Thank you.